Grüezi, buenos dias and hello. Welcome to the big numbers for the month of May. After a very busy April, trading activity has returned to more stable levels. With 92.1 billion Swiss francs, the trading turnover on SIX Swiss Exchange has declined over 23% compared to April, but is 3.8% higher than in May 2024. And with over 525 billion traded since the start of the year, the turnover is up by 24.1% compared to last year. The only segment which recorded more turnover in May than in April was fixed income, up by 6%. We see the same picture if we look at the number of transactions. With just over 4 million, the number is down over 36% compared to April. But if you look at the year-to-date change, SIX Swiss Exchange recorded over 18% more trades at the end of May than last year. In terms of product listings, last month was an all-time record for structured products. This number has also recorded at the lower levels. But 13,577 newly listed products still represent a 44% increase over May 2024, and with over 76,000 products listed so far this year, we've already surpassed total reached in August last year. In April, we also reached a new record of over 17,000 tradable products. Never before have investors enjoyed such a broad choice on SIX Swiss Exchange. Thank you very much to all our issuers, without whom we wouldn't have reached this milestone. Good job, guys. The most notable increase was seen in fixed income, where the volume of listing reached 12.7 billion Swiss francs, a 50% increase compared to April. Throughout the month of May, the Swiss Blue Chip Index oscillated in a 400 points range, roughly between 12,021 points and 12,460 points. At the month end, it stood at 12,227 points, a 0.9% increase compared to last month, which means that year to date it progressed 5.4%. A highlight in May was the successful introduction of our latest Swixes maintenance release. With SMR 15, Arctic's global markets have become accessible through infrastructure of SIX Swiss Exchange. This opens efficient access to new investment opportunities for trading participants and their institutional clients. Arctic is an MTF where share of iconic works of art are traded. Let's now look at the figures of BME Exchange, where we observe the same developments as in Switzerland. Here too, turnover and transactions were down compared to April, but year to date all segments are up. With 40.8 billion euros in May, turnover has reached over 200 billion, which is 7.7% higher than last year. The number of transactions has reached over 14.8 million, which is 4.6% more than at the end of May 2024. Like in Switzerland, the fixed income segment stands out this month, with 34% more turnover than in April, with 26% more trades and with 29% higher listing volume at 37 billion euros. The Spanish blue chip index IBEX35 has showed a strong performance in May. It progressed by 6.5% and reached 14,152 points. The annual performance has therefore risen to 22.1%. These were the big numbers of SIX Swiss Exchange and BME Exchange for May 2025. Thank you very much for watching and see you next month.